Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Davie local and long-distance movers near me. We help you with any type of move, including long-distance moves. Whether you're moving to a new state or all the way across the country, we're here to help. Some of the services we can help you with include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Sometimes it seems hard to rationalize hiring a professional moving company at first. However, when you look into it further and realize the benefits, the cost becomes easier to justify. With a professional moving team, you gain experienced people to pack and handle your items. You will also gain the convenience of a team of movers ready to help you save time. Our professional movers can ensure you get moved into your new home faster and easier. With 3 movers helping you, it's easy to get moved in faster. We can handle your entire local move in just a few hours, while it might take you several days to do it on your own. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Davie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.